Hello, this is Farron with Step Above Marketing. I'm going to do a quick website review for you guys, specifically for Kara Sewell at Balance Aesthetics. I did speak with the front desk yesterday and informed them that I would send over a video review showing you how we help businesses grow online, particularly with Google. All right, so I'm just going to jump in, and for the sake of time, I'm only going to go over 3 areas, which is content, citations, and backlinks. Okay, so we're just going to jump in right now and go over the citation part. All right, so if a customer, of course, is searching for one of your services, this is what they're going to do. And for the sake of an example, we're going to choose Botox. So if someone in Atlanta puts in Atlanta Botox, of course, we want to be up here in the top 3 matte pack. We call this spot up here the matte pack. 30% of the people choose the businesses listed up here, and we call this area down here the organic search results. So this shows, people's websites in the area that provide this service. Now, the way that we are able to get people to show up here in this top 3 matte pack is by having citations. When your business name, your address, and phone number is listed on multiple directories across the internet, it helps build up your business and your profile. So every time you list that information about your business on a particular website, it is a citation. So a citation is issued. And we actually have the ability to find out how many citations a competitor has, and then we give you 50 more. So that's how we kind of know how many citations we need to do per month. However many the competition has, we do 50 more of that. That way it helps push up in the rankings, okay? So the citations definitely help your website, and it helps you with this profile because, again, it helps with your reputation with Google because the search engines can see all of that information multiple times that you have, and it helps with the credibility for your business. Okay, so having an optimized Google profile and doing those citations is what's going to help a business stay and get up here to the first page, because no one goes to the second page when they're looking for something. We all stay on the first page. I even stay on the first page. So we want to make sure that we help get people to this first page, okay? So another thing that I wanted to congratulate you guys on is that you do have a good optimized Google profile. Is being optimized correctly. I see some good, reviews. I see a good number of reviews. You guys have ads going, which is pretty good. Always pretty good. And another thing that I liked was you guys are doing the posts. So we make sure that we have posts going on regularly on the Google profiles. That's a part of optimization. And I see that you have posts here, so that's very good. So I want to congratulate you guys on that as part of the review. So just having this and then having your business name listed in multiple directories for different services, then you'll be able to start popping up here at the top for Botox, laser hair removal, all of the services that you provide. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move on and talk about content. Okay, so if someone was to look in the organic search results, again, you would also want not only your Google profile at the top, but you would want your website page that pertains to that service at the top. And the way you would do that is with the right content. So we usually put the keyword right up here at the top in the top header with an H1 tag. So this would say, Atlanta Botox in Atlanta. And you would also want to make sure that you repeat that at least 3 times throughout the web page in your wording. So people and the website engines, know exactly who you are, and they know to bring up your page. Because when someone puts in the search result into Google, what happens is the robot behind the scenes, it goes searching and searching for the best website to pull up. So if your website has enough content and wording in the right keywords, Google will favor your website. So it's a whole recipe in how you get your website to be number 1. So on our side pages, since this is one of your side pages, we would have at least 500 words on this page to beat out the competition. If they have 1,000 words on their side page, then we would, take it up 500 more than that. So that's how we determine. But we always have at least 500 on this side page. And just to go back to your main page here. So I do love the home page. I love the videos. I love the aesthetics. That is awesome. The only thing is the same scenario, having that Atlanta MedSpa something up here, a prominent keyword mixed in with the H1 tags is exactly what you need to be ranking at the top for, multiple keywords when it's pertaining to Atlanta MedSpa. So it's great that it's mixed in right here, but having it close together like Atlanta MedSpa and or having it in here multiple times. So it's only here, kind of references it here once. Yeah, having it throughout here multiple times, throughout the wording. And also for the main page, we recommend that you have at least 1,500 words. So we have at least 1,500 words in here because that lets Google know we are an authority, in the med spa space. And it'll let them know that, hey, I have all the information that a client would need. So push me to the top, please. So just making sure you implement that. That would definitely help this, show up on the first page for more Atlanta med spa keywords. So you guys are doing, pretty good for some of the med spa keywords, but for the actual services, we could definitely help you guys get up there for that. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go over backlinks last but not least. And what a backlink is, it's when another website points to your website. So you may have been on a website before and then there's a link for you to click to get more information. Then it takes you to a whole nother website that's related. So that's what a backlink is. And the more backlinks you have, the better. The more backlinks you have pointing back to your website, it lets Google know that you're credible. It gives you a good reputation. It lets them know that you're affiliated in your industry and that you're an authority. So the more backlinks, the better. So we help build them up, and that also is a part of the recipe that puts a person's website at the top of Google. Okay, so this right here is our software Ahrefs, and it helps us determine what's going on with the website on the back end. So I use this to pretty much figure out what's going on with the website, figure out how it's going with its optimization and whatnot. Okay, so you guys are, of course, you're getting traffic. You have some keywords that's related with your website. You have 120 backlinks. This right here is just your score for your website's reputation. And once you optimize your website more, this score would appear and this one would rise up higher. Okay, so you do have at least 120 backlinks right now. Getting more of those would build you up in the ranking. And just for the sake, an example, I'm just going to kind of just give you a quick look at, what it looks like and how we can tell. See, we can tell exactly what all websites have pointed back to yours. And it pretty much gives us a whole overview. And then here we can see if it's a website with a lot of traffic, it's a website that has a good reputation. The more websites that you have with good reputations pointing back to you, that's a good backlink and it gives you more power. So I don't want to confuse you, so I'm not going to go too deep with that. But just for an example, I put up another competitor of yours. I wanted you to kind of see what some of the competition is doing. If you look at this Pico Cosmetics, Pi, sorry, I've never heard of the place, but Pi Cosmetic Surgery, it looks like they have over 4,000 backlinks. So, and this is their rating right here, and this is how many keywords they have. They're getting over 12,000 in traffic. So once you're optimized, you would, be able to see at least 12,000 in traffic. This is the top competitor in your area, and this is how many people are coming to their website every month, over 12K. And there's some other competitors who get about 30,000 people coming to their website a month. So that's how many people are out there. The people are out there. They're out there searching. They want the services. We just have to make sure that we are optimizing everything so they can find us for everything that we offer. and that's how we pretty much get everyone ranked. Okay, so just getting those backlinks built up, the citations, making sure the website has the proper content. And I also just wanted to show you an example. Let's throw them in for an example. Let's see. Okay, so here goes their Botox page. See how they have the Botox Atlanta? They have it in the header, in the heading here, and then they have, you know, the wordings, different wording riddled out throughout the page. So just to give you kind of an example of just the ways to optimize to be able to push you to the top for your specific services. Okay, I thank you so much for your time. If you have any other questions, you can feel free to give us a call at 470-458-1811. I am looking to work with one med spa in the Atlanta area. I hope it's you guys. Again, give us a call at 470-458-1811, or you can always email at info@stepaboveDigitalMarketing, and you can also reply to the email that this video is coming from. Thank you. Take care.